Okay, the first step into how to find when altcoin cryptocurrency season begins.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
A couple different websites. There's cryptonews.com. Basically, this is just gonna explain, or it's an explainer, what is altcoin season index and when is it coming, because the cryptocurrency cycle is just right around the corner in 2025. As you can see, we have the history of previous altcoin cycles, the 2017 cycle, the 2020 cycle, and we even have signs that a new altcoin season has begun, because we can see that there's an increase in altcoin dominance, which is basically alternative coins from Bitcoin and let's say even Ethereum. But yeah, this is a really good website. I definitely recommend checking it out. I'll leave all links down in the video description. The next website is actually the altcoin season index website. As you can see here, it's currently 41, and the more that this is leaning towards the right, then it's altcoin season. The more it's leaning towards the left, it's Bitcoin season. And if we were to scroll down, as you can see here, this is all the times where, well, altcoin season's on the top, Bitcoin season is on the bottom. So we're slowly creeping up there, and you can even move this down and move this up and see of the, I guess, different levels. You can even scroll out with your mouse and go all the way back of 2017. Very great website, recommend checking it out. The next one is cointelegraph.com. It's just saying altcoin season is coming, or at least the data suggests that it's close, right? This is also another article or a explainer, and really highly recommend this if you are investing in cryptocurrencies and you are investing in altcoins such as meme coins, completely for free.